Welcome to Hard Reset Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me Sony Xperia 10 Mark V, and I'm gonna show you how to use Wallpaper Engine on this device. To do it, you need to open the Play Store and find here Wallpaper Engine. Install it. Click Open. Choose wallpaper you want to use, click OK, OK, set wallpaper, set to the both screens, and go back to the home screen. And great, as you can see, wallpaper is working and it works really great. As you can see, here I have the Dino, and by clicking on the screen, Dino is jumping. So great, that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.